Welcome to this guided meditation. Before we begin, find a comfortable space where you can fully relax. Please ensure that you are in a safe environment and not engaged in any activities that require your attention, such as driving. Throughout this meditation, there will be a moment of silence. Embrace this pause as an opportunity to tune into the wisdom of your soul and receive any messages meant for you. Create boundaries for yourself, allowing this time to be sacred and personal. Now, take a deep breath and let go of the outside world. Your journey within is about to unfold. Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation, where we journey into the Akashic Records and retrieve our soul's highest wisdom, getting the answers to any questions we might seek. Allow this to be a sacred time, free from all distractions, as you sink into the here and now. Breathing in through your nose, expanding your belly, and out through your mouth, deflating your belly. Breathing deep and consciously in a rhythmic pattern. In through your nose as your belly expands, and out through your mouth as your belly deflates. Allowing yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a meditative state with each breath you take. Relaxing your fingers and toes, allowing your organs and bones to sink in to deep relaxation, melting into the surface beneath you. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you breathe, envisioning yourself walking down a mystical forest path. White owls fly ahead as the moonlit sky wraps around you. Beautiful creatures moving slowly on the path alongside you, guiding you and guarding you on your journey this evening. Beautiful fairies light up the trees as you walk down this glimmering forest path, journeying in to the land of the Akashic Records, where all of your soul's wisdom and the wisdom of all universal knowledge is kept. As you walk down this path, making your way to the room where these records are kept, a beautiful red energy swirls around you, grounding you deep into the earth, creating a sense of safety and stability in your system as the Earth Mother holds you in all that you are. Breathing deep as this red fades away, a vibrant orange now swirling through you, opening you to the divine feminine within as you sink into a deep state of surrender. Nurturing life force energy filling your entire body and energetic field as you feel enlivened and whole, still grounded and safe, as a beautiful yellow now dances through your system. This electric yellow awakens the divine masculine within as he dances in perfect harmony with the divine feminine's nurturing energy. The divine feminine activating your needs and nurturance, the divine masculine moving forward in power and steady action. As your power center fully activates, breathing in this luscious yellow energy, as a green energy expands through you, opening and expanding your heart space as you sink into the frequency of love and oneness for all within and around you, sinking into a knowing of this pure, unconditional love from which you came, from which you constantly reside. And as you breathe in your own expansive, loving nature, a bright blue energy swirls through you, opening and expanding your throat chakra, where your soul essence is revealed. The truth, the authentic knowing of your soul is free as this bright blue energy opens and expands your frequency. The blue deepens into a powerful indigo as your third eye completely opens and all clear senses become active and whole. A universal knowing pours through you as you come into complete alignment with your intuitive Gnostic nature. And with a final burst of color, a powerful violet rains down on you, opening your crown as you stand fully in your divinity, aligned from head to toe, soul to bone, as you breathe in this vibrant, powerful energy. A white light now pours down, centering you around your meridian pole as you come into complete alignment, grounded into the earth and tapped into the cosmos, power center open and active. You are now completely aligned as you find yourself back on the mystical forest path. Two beautiful beings, bright white light energy, approach you. These are the guardians of the Akashic Records, and they have invited you in today to explore your own soul's contract and path. You may ask any questions that are on your mind and heart as you enter these sacred chambers. Walking forward behind these light beings, you approach a massive elm tree, towering far above all the others, with a base as wide as a car. As you approach this beautiful tree, you notice golden doors at the base. The light beings open the doors and guide you inward. As you step inside, there is a complex web of roots, an organized system of scrolls throughout the entire base of this tree. As the light beings approach the sacred and complex roots, pressing their hands in a beautiful sequence, you are portaled into a sacred chamber. As you enter this chamber, beautiful white light energy penetrates the entirety of your being. You see a vast table before you, walls lined with millions and millions of scrolls. You're invited to sit at this table. You can now take the next several minutes to commune with these light beings They will bring you the scrolls required to answer your questions and share with you pertinent information to your soul's journey. Take the time here and now to listen, to read, to learn. The time is yours. As this beautiful and sacred meeting comes to an end, thank the guardians of the Akashic Records for their time and wisdom here today. As you say your goodbyes, one of the light beings hands you a sacred scroll. They have created for you a sheet. You can call it Accelerated Ascension. Key points from your soul's journey, symbols, words, reminders that you can tap into to remember your time here today and to access your soul's highest knowing in any moment. Open the scroll, look at what it says, what symbols and pictures are present. Memorize them and place them in your heart for safekeeping. As you hug these beautiful light beings goodbye, you feel your own soul's knowing come fully alive, remembering the powerful light being you are, remembering that your current human experience is but one small portion of your entire soul's existence, remembering that in any moment you have the power to change the visions being projected in your waking reality, and a reminder that each experience, relationship, and connection, whether deemed good or bad, is truly for your soul's best and highest growth. Remembering this message and this powerful experience, the light beings portal you back out into the beautiful and mystical forest. As you step onto the cool soil, gazing up at the moon, you remember all that you are, have ever been, and will ever be. A power is born within you in this moment to be forever remembered and cherished in your waking reality. As you begin your descent back into your human vessel, every step you take leading you deeper and deeper into your waking reality, entering your body as you breathe deeply, allowing complete remembrance and integration of this experience here today as you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth, wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you are ready, open your eyes, setting the intention to remember and know all that occurred here today and the wisdom of your infinite soul.